again with the revision classes, class 2. Today we will do this odd and even number, that too revision, page number 16. So first of all, what is odd and even numbers? Okay, so odd numbers first. So in odd numbers, as I told you in the previous classes and all, the numbers which will end at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an odd number. And what's the even number? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 5 numbers. Okay. So in odd numbers, what you have to check? The numbers which will end at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then that is a odd number. Suppose I will write here 57. So the number ending here in this number is 7. Means at last 7 is there in the ones place. So it is an odd number. Okay. So if I will take another example like 76. So you have to check the ones place. Okay. Then you have to categorize whether it is odd or even number. So it is even number. You just have to remember these 5 numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and even 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, any number, suppose they have given to categorize between odd and which one is odd and which one is even. So you have to check the ones place first. Then you have to decide whether it is an odd number or it is an even number. Okay, so you have to check these numbers whether it is there 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in any digits or any numbers, any 4 digit, 5 digit numbers anyway. Suppose I will write here 121. So you have to check the ones place. Ones place it is 1. So 1, it is an odd number, it will go to the odd number column. Even number, I'll give you one example, 122. So you just see the 2. 2 is in the even number column. So it is an even number. Okay. So in your book, you see it is given all odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I have also written here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. So and next page, one column has been given to you. Look at the chat and you have to just put a tick mark in red for even numbers and cross mark in green for odd numbers. Okay. So if I ask you to write all the odd numbers from 15 to 31. This is just an example, it is not there in book, but still, see, it is asking to write all the odd numbers from 15 to 31. So what will you do? You just have to check at the last, it should be the ones place should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what you have to do? 15. So it is telling that start from 15 to 31. So 15 is already odd. So after 15, 17, then 19, then 21, then 23, 25, 27, 29 and then 31. Okay. You see everywhere in the ones place 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 1 again. These are all odd numbers. Okay. See here 17, 18 is not there. 18 is an odd number. 20 is not there, is an odd number. Now if I will ask you to write the same 15 to 31 even numbers. Even numbers. Then what you have to write? 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, 24, 26, 28 and then 30. Okay. This is the concept only. Okay. The numbers ending at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will be odd number and the numbers ending at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is an even number. Okay. I hope this is clear for you in the previous classes and all. Here you see, write all the even numbers between 22 and 60. Okay. So you have to write all the even numbers which doesn't have these 5 numbers in it. If they have these 3 numbers, these 5 numbers, then it will be an odd number. But here it is asking to write all the even numbers where all these numbers should be there at the ones place, 22 to 60. Okay, and here also write all odd numbers between 61 and 99. Okay, so 61 and 99 means 13579 should be there at the ones place or not. So this one again you can practice at home. This two only, write all the even numbers between 22 and 60 and write all odd numbers between 61 and 99. Okay, this two again you can do at home. Then the next page is write all the even numbers between 18 and 42. 18 and 42. So this one I shall do it again for you. 18 to 42 is given, 18 and 42 or 242. So even number it is asking. So 18 is already there. So next number would be 20, then 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, then 40, up to 40. Okay, 42 is already given to you. So these are all the odd number. Now you see the pattern 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then again 0. It falls on under the category of even numbers. Okay. Now odd numbers between 57 and 81. Odd numbers between 57 and 81. So 57 is already there. So 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91. It is given up to, I have written more. So 57 and 81 up to, it will be up to here. This all extra I have written, but that doesn't matter. Now here you see in odd number pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again 1, 3, 5, 7 down, and it goes on, continues like that. So it falls under the category of odd numbers. Okay, you just have to remember these 5 digits only. The odd numbers will end at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and even numbers will end at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is it. There is nothing extra about odd and even numbers. Okay. So when we come back to the next class, we will do the making the greatest and the smallest numbers, and then counting in groups, count forward and backward. These 3 we will finish by tomorrow, and then in the next classes, when it will be finished, we will start addition and subtraction, that is chapter number 3. Okay, so as if right now as a revision part you can do this two. Again you can do in rough copies, so that it will be a practice for you. Okay, odd numbers will end at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and even numbers will end at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that is it. Thank you.